Interior designer. Interior designer. Interior designer. The interior designer created a cozy living room with modern furniture. Interpreter. 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 The interpreter translated the speaker's words into English. Miner. 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 The miner worked tirelessly to extract coal from the underground tunnels. Model. 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 The model walked confidently down the runway in the fashion show. Nail technician. Nail technician. Nail technician. The nail technician painted beautiful floral designs on her client's nails. Plumber. 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 The plumber fixed the leaking pipe in the kitchen. Politician. 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 The politician promised to improve the education system. Postman, mailman. Postman, mailman. Postman, mailman. The postman delivered letters to every house in the neighborhood. Reporter. 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 The reporter interviewed witnesses at the scene of the accident. Spa therapist. Spa therapist. Spa therapist. The spa therapist gave a relaxing massage to her client. Stockbroker. 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 The stockbroker advised his clients on profitable investments. Tattooist. 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 The tattooist designed a unique piece of art for his client's arm. Telephonist. 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 The telephonist answered all incoming calls promptly. Translator, translator, translator. The translator worked on translating the book into Spanish. Barista, barista, barista. The barista prepared a delicious cappuccino for the customer. Child care worker, child care worker, child care worker. The child care worker ensures the kids are safe and happy. Bank teller, bank teller, bank teller. The bank teller helped the customer withdraw money from his account. Barber, barber, barber. The barber gave him a stylish haircut. Athlete, athlete, athlete. The athlete trained every day to compete in the Olympics. Janitor, janitor, janitor. The janitor cleaned the classrooms after school hours. Choreographer, choreographer, choreographer. The choreographer created a stunning routine for the dance performance. Dance teacher, dance teacher, dance teacher. The dance teacher taught her students a new ballet technique. Fitness instructor, fitness instructor, fitness instructor. The fitness instructor demonstrated how to use the equipment properly. Martial arts instructor, martial arts instructor, martial arts instructor. The martial arts instructor taught self-defense techniques. Personal trainer, personal trainer, personal trainer. The personal trainer created a customized workout plan for his client. Professional footballer, professional footballer, professional footballer. The professional footballer signed a contract with a top league team. Tour guide, tour guide, tour guide. The tour guide showed the tourists around the ancient city. Astronomer, astronomer, astronomer. The astronomer used a telescope to study the stars and planets. Nanny, nanny, nanny. The nanny took care of the children while their parents were at work. Midwife, midwife, midwife. The midwife assisted in the delivery of the baby at home. Carer, carer, carer. The carer helped the elderly woman with her daily tasks. Chauffeur, chauffeur, chauffeur. The chauffeur drove the family to the airport in a luxury car. Estate agent, estate agent, estate agent. The estate agent showed the couple several houses for sale.